everyone! In today's video, I am going to draw Madara Uchiha, so let's start. I am drawing the hairs first, starting from the forehead in the shape of V. So let me tell you guys something, that this tutorial is gonna be super easy, so grab your sketchbook and pencil and start drawing with me if you want, and watch the video till the end and like the video too. And also, if this video helped you, then let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber already. So here I have drawn the front hairs, and now I am going to draw the eye and the eyebrow by drawing these lines. So let's draw the eyebrow first. This sketch is easy in the sense that we don't need to draw the other eye and the eyebrow, and only hairs are covering the most of face. So yeah, it was super easy. I am drawing the eye now. After drawing the eye, I am drawing the nose bridge starting from the eyebrow. And now just locating the two nostrils just below that hair strand. And now it's time to draw the mouth or lips. And now to draw the jawline, let's mark the chin first and then start again from either side. And in the end, we're gonna join all of these 3 points and the jawline will be complete. And now let's draw the neck, and now you can see that hair saves us a lot of time. Like, we don't need to draw the ears and complete the rest of the jawline, it's just fine now. Okay, now let's try to complete the hairs, and now just keep on drawing as it is the reference, cause you know the most difficult part is face, and the face is done. But to draw the hairs over the head, let's draw this circle shape over the head so that we will be able to draw all the strands in a line. Perfect now. And just drawing the rest of the dress. and then our basic sketch will be complete. As you see, the sketch is complete, and let's remove it and do the outline with the 8B pencil. So here's I'm gonna use this 8B pencil, and it's very dark. Outline is finished, and let's use this 2H pencil to do some light shadings. And now let's use the 2B pencil. It's darker than the normal. I'm still using the 2B. If you want to do the blending, then let's do some, otherwise it's okay. And finally, in the end, do your signature, and let's go to see the final look cause our sketch is done. So here's the final look, and I hope you liked the video, and if you think you learned anything from this video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel too. Bye! Meet you in the next.